So if you want to see Binance web3 wallet seed press, let me show you step by step the possible method to get it. After you open the Binance web3 wallet, go to menu, go to wallet management, go to this option, pencil icon. Now tap on this backup management. So under this backup management, so if there is option for you to see your seed press for your Binance web3 wallet seed press, the option will be in this option. But as of now that I'm recording this video, Binance doesn't allow people to see their WordPress directly. So Binance, it hides the WordPress in your Gmail account. So if you come to this option, just make sure to check on it to complete this verification. Make sure to back up your seed press into your Gmail account. By backing up your seed press into your Gmail account, whenever you want to log into your Web3 wallet in the Binance, so Binance, it will automatically ask you to use your Gmail account. So by using your Gmail account that is linked to your original account in the Binance, it will just help Binance to recover your seed press. That's more secure for you. That's why Binance, I think, it just hide the seed press. No one can be able to see his seed press in the Binance. And that's the option, guys. So just make sure to complete this verification. After you complete this verification, for now, Binance doesn't allow you to see your seed press for your Web3 wallets. So hope this information helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.